or a newly married couple who's tired of paying rent and you're ready to become a homeowner? If so, my name is Marcia Smith, and I've created the home buying program, which will help you to start the home buying process. It doesn't matter where you are. If you have credit challenges, financial challenges, or just do not know where to begin with the home buying process, the home buying program will help you. It will take you through a step-by-step process to help you get to where you need to be. It doesn't matter if your lease will expire in 1 year or 12 months. The time to get started is right now. If you get started now you're able to go through the process and get educated. Not just about becoming a homeowner, it's what you can do to become a successful homeowner who can keep your home. And the home buying program is going to do just that. One of the things that I am so super excited about this program, it's going to walk you through this process and it's going to check your process. This is not a program that you're going to have to be on your own and hope and pray you get it together. We're going to check every step of the way to ensure that when you're ready to begin the home buying process and get pre-approved, you will get pre-approved the first time. So it doesn't matter where you are. The point is, start now. I am also giving you a guarantee. If you take this program, at the end of the program, I will give you a full refund of every dime you pay for this program. This program is going to help you to become a homeowner that you're going to be so excited to start this home buying journey. So if you're ready, click the button and let's get started. I'll see you on the inside.